Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here in the second video lecture of 4th class maths. Tomorrow's assignment is word problems involving fractions and mixed fractions. So today we will be performing some functions on fractions here. I have solved a question here on the board, and some of the questions will be assigned to you as a homework assignment. The first value says 3 into 1 over 2 multiplies 3 into 3 over 4 plus 1 into 1 over 2 minus 3 into 1 over 2. Now all of these fractions are written as mixed numbers. So we have the first step will be converting these fractions into improper fractions, in these mixed numbers into improper fractions. For that we have to multiply divisor with quotient, and the answer will be added to remainder like this: quotient, remainder and divisor. For that 2 into 3 makes 2 multiplies 3 makes 6, and plus 1 makes 7, and denominator will be the same, so it makes 7 over 2. So we converted all our mixed numbers into the improper fractions. Now we have to perform some addition and subtraction functions in this bracket. For that we have to make all these fractions into like fraction. Like fractions are those which have same denominator, like the first one 15 over 4. So we have to make all of these fractions with the same denominator of 4, and for that we have to multiply the first fraction with 2, because 2 and 2 makes 4, and 3 into 2 makes 6, and like that 2 multiplies 2 makes 4, and 7 multiplies 2 make 14. So now we can perform our addition and subtraction operations here. 4 is a common denominator. We will be adding 15 into 6 and subtracting the value from 14. 15 plus 6 makes 21, and if we subtract 14 into 21, it gives us 7 over 4. Now our bracket is solved. We have to multiply 7 over 2 with 7 over 4, and if we multiply like 7 makes 49, 7 sevens are 49, and 2 4s are 8. So our answer was 49 over 8, and if we want to write it into the mixed numbers, we have to divide this value 49. We have to divide 49 on 8. 8 6 are 48, and 1 will be remainder. So we can write it in this form, like the quotient here, and the remainder will be written here, and the divisor will be written here. So that was the first question. I solved it for you, so it will be easier for you to solve your homework assignment. Until the next video, thank you.